The platform is built around three main entities that work seamlessly together: companies, contacts, and orders. Companies are the assets being traded, such as SpaceX, ByteDance, and Databricks, to name a few. Contacts are the CRM component of our management platform, where you store data on buyers, sellers, and partners in a secured and bulletproof manner. That ensures that only you have access, preventing anyone else, including us, the platform owner, from viewing the data. Orders is where you place your buy and sell indications. Every order is linked to a specific company and contact, which are mandatory fields. All other fields are optional. You can store the order based on price per share or valuation, indicate whether it is firm, serious, or half-baked, exploratory, and specify if you were introduced to this order by someone else. Since our management system is integrated into a live marketplace, you can specify whether the order is open, meaning everyone in the marketplace can see it, without revealing the buyer or seller's identity, or hidden, in which case only you will be aware of it. Once an order is placed, you can easily check if there is an existing counterpart to match the order within your own network or through a third-party order placed by another broker. Other brokers' orders disclose all the details, except for the buyer or seller's identity. If you see a potential match, all you need to do is press connect, and the other broker will be notified that there is a matching buy or sell order from another broker. Once they confirm the connection request, the platform will automatically connect both parties to facilitate direct communication and determine if this is a genuine opportunity. The Orders Connections page displays all connection requests, both from you to others and from others to you, helping you easily track them. The platform, apart from helping you find potential matches for your clients, is not a party to the transaction, and we do not charge anything for this service.